Hello, and welcome to the corrections for your Week 10 spiral. As always, make sure you are making full corrections for any problems that you missed, not just putting the correct answer. Monday, the daily price changes for a stock are shown in the table. Determine if each statement is true or false. Okay, so the price increased by the greatest amount on Thursday. So what I did first, since all of these are dealing with increases and decreases, I went through and found the amount of increase or decrease between each day. So what I found is the price increased the greatest amount on Thursday. That is false. The increase of the greatest amount would be on Wednesday. Not Thursday. B, the price decreased by the greatest amount on Tuesday. That is a true, because out of the two decreases, negative 0.84 is the largest, bigger than 0.73. And then the price decreased by the least amount on Monday. That's also false because it decreased by the least amount on Friday. Tuesday, the costs for a large pizza and each topping for 2 pizzerias are shown on the table. Select the appropriate values to complete the model to show how much more a pizza with tea toppings costs at Pizza Palace than at Mario's Pizza. So you are first going to select, I would say, the correct expression and input your answer. And then it'll show your second expression.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so what I did is how much more means subtraction, and that's where the subtraction sign comes. And we want to know, do toppings cost at Pizza Palace than at Mario's? So I put Pizza Palace first, and it's $12 per pizza plus $1.50 per topping, and I'm subtracting Mario's Pizza, which is $10 per pizza, $1.25 per topping. Then down below I have my work showing where I got rid of the parentheses and combined like terms. Big thing is to remember to distribute that negative to the second expression, and then you end up with 2 plus 0.25t. Wednesday, Karina makes X dollars per hour working at the grocery store. She makes Y dollars per hour working at the library. 1 week she worked 9 hours at the grocery store and 12 hours at the library. Determine if each statement is true or false. A, the expression 21x represents Karina's earnings from the library. B, the expression 9y represents Karina's earnings from the grocery store. C, the expression 9x plus 12y represents Karina's total earnings for the week. Okay, so now we are on the back on the geometry review worksheet. Again, enter your answers as we go, and don't forget to make full corrections. Number 1, the Patel's backyard has a rectangular vegetable garden and a triangular pet exercise area. Match each part of the yard with the correct area. So first, put in the area for the pet exercise area. Next, put in the area for the vegetable garden. Last, put in the area for the total backyard. Last part, how much of the backyard is not being used for the vegetable garden or the pet exercise area. Okay, so for the pet exercise area, my work is right here. Oops. Let me go back to my highlighter. So it is a triangle, so I use the formula area equals base times height divided by 2, and I came up with 224 feet squared. Then the vegetable garden area, it's a rectangle, so I did length times width and got 672. The total backyard area right here is 48 by 181, and so I got 8,688 feet squared. Last part, how much of the backyard is not being used for the vegetable garden or pet exercise area? Well, I took my total area and I wanted to subtract the total of the pet exercise and vegetable garden area, which is 896. So 8688 minus 896 is 7,792 feet squared. Number 2, the diameter of Darren's new roll of painter's tape was 6 inches. After Darren used some of the tape, the diameter of the roll had decreased by ½ an inch. Which is the closest to the circumference of the roll of the tape after this decrease? Okay, so circumference, I'm using C equals pi times D. First thing I needed to do is if the diameter was 6 and it's decreasing by ½ I'm subtracting ½ So my new diameter is 5.5 inches. So formula for circumference, pi times the diameter. So I did 3.14 times 5.5, and I got C, just kidding, H, 17.27 inches. Number 3, the largest tree in the world by volume is in Sequoia National Park. The diameter at the base is 36 feet. If a person with outstretched arms can reach 6 feet, how many people would it take to reach around the base of the tree? Okay, so first thing I needed to do was find the circumference of the tree. So that's my steps up here. So pi times the diameter, I multiplied 3.14 by 36 and got 113.04 feet. It's not asking what the circumference it is, but we want to know if people, when they outstretch their arms and they reach 6 feet, how many people it's going to take to circle around or to do the reach around for this tree. So I did 113.04 divided by 6, so divide it into 6-foot sections, and I got 18.84. So that means we can't have 0.84 of a person, so I rounded up, and it's going to take 19 people to reach around the base. Number 4, John wants to put a fence around his pool that has a length of 15 feet and a width of 10 feet. The cost of the material to make the fence is $3.50 per foot. How much will it cost for John to make a fence that encloses his pool? Okay, so first I had to find the perimeter of the pool. Then that way I could see how many feet of material we need. So the perimeter of the pool, it's 15 by 10. So I'm doing 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, and 2 times 15 plus 2 times 10, 30 plus 20, so the perimeter is 50 feet. So from there, I take the 50 feet and I multiply it by the $3.50 that it's going to take per foot, and I get $175. So it's going to cost $175 to enclose the pool. Okay, you have completed the week 10 spiral. I am ending with a picture of PJ this week. He is a therapy dog in training at Bonita High School, and this is his trainer, Amy. And they had picture day. Notice his cute little dapper bow tie. Thank you for watching the video and doing your homework like you're supposed to, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!